Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link in Instagram bio. So simply what you need to do, just you have to open your Instagram account. So as you know, some people add the clickable link in Instagram because they have some business or they have personal accounts on other social media websites. So simply how to do it, just go to profile, and now here you can see there are some option. So simply click on edit profile. So here you can see the bio option. So simply what you need to do, in old version you can add the link here, but now you can easily find the option add link. So simply click on add link. So here you can add your Facebook link, or if you want to add an external link, just click here and now type the external link of your website or your any account. Like I have copied some website, so simply here you can see I have pasted my website. So after this you can click on tick button. So in this way you can easily add a clickable link on Instagram bio.